The REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam captures your driving journey in stunning detail, thanks to its dual recording capability, offering a 4K ultra-high-definition resolution for the front camera and a full high-definition resolution for the rear camera. Equipped with advanced wide dynamic range and high dynamic range technology, this dash cam provides exceptional night vision, ensuring clear recordings even in low-light conditions. The hands-free voice control and smart touchscreen enhance driving safety by allowing you to operate the camera without distractions, while also offering multiple control methods for convenience. With built-in GPS and 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi control, users can easily connect to the dash cam via the REDTIGER app, enabling real-time video sharing and providing accurate location data in recordings. The loop recording feature ensures continuous video capture by overwriting the oldest footage, while the G-sensor automatically locks and protects important clips during sudden impacts or movements. For added security, the 24-hour parking monitoring mode records any detected impacts or motion when the vehicle is parked, although it requires an additional hardwire kit for full functionality.